Hello everyone, let's practice some read aloud on ALFA PTE. Let's try this one. A person's demographic and social background can influence their attendance at cultural venues and events. Household composition in particular plays a significant role in shaping cultural preferences. For instance, families with young children are more likely to visit theme parks and amusement centers, while single individuals may be more inclined to attend concerts and art galleries. Actually, always put your eyes on this. A person's demographic and social background can influence their attendance at cultural venues and events. Household composition, in particular, plays a significant role in shaping cultural preferences. For instance, families with young children are more likely to visit theme parks and amusement centers, while single individuals may be more inclined to attend concerts and art galleries. Okay, let's see. Actually, it is kind of easy and straightforward. Okay, let's try another one. Actually, here it's different than APUNI because on APUNI you can change according to the difficulty. Till now, I didn't see any difficulty here or any difficulty references. Just according to appearing or no. Yeah, prediction, practice, none, not practice, but not according to the difficulty, like on APUNI. Let's try this one. Rates of depression have been a growing concern in recent years, particularly among adolescents and adults. In the United States, it's estimated that 4.1 million adolescents aged 12 to 17 have experienced at least one major depressive episode. This indicates a rising trend in depression rates among adolescents. Bismillah, let's try. Rates of depression have been a growing concern in recent years, particularly among adolescents and adults. In the United States, it's estimated that 4.1 million adolescents aged 12 to 17 have experienced at least one major depressive episode. This indicates a rising trend in the depression rates among adolescents. I don't know if you mentioned or no, but I can take my breath at these periods, at this semicolon. Let's see. Why, man? Why 79? Measure. I didn't read. I didn't read measure well. Okay. Let's try another one. William Shakespeare. Actually, I'm afraid that some of the paragraphs comes with names, and this would be difficult. Like this: Avon, England, renowned, enduring. Shakespeare's work continue captivate audiences. With the profound insights. William Shakespeare, the renowned English playwright and poet, is widely regarded as one of the greatest writers in the English language. Born in Stratford upon Avon, England, around April 23, 1564, Shakespeare's works continue to captivate audiences with their profound insights into human nature and enduring literacy brilliance. Okay, this one actually it is a little bit harder because the names of places, names of persons, actually it is a kind of difficult to read this kind of words for me, of course, because sometimes the pronunciation of the a name is not 100% correct. Let's see. Yeah, that is the point. Actually, my fluency, it wasn't too much good in this paragraph and dress really. Okay, let's try another one. Tutors are play a crucial role in education by providing personalized instruction tailored to the needs of each student. They can help students with homework, test preparation, and clarifying difficult concepts. Tutors often employ various teaching strategies and techniques to engage students and enhance their learning experience. Actually, the proofreading before the real reading is too much important. It's crucial actually. Tutors play a crucial role in education by providing personalized instructions tailored to the needs of each student. They can help students with homework, test preparation, and clarifying difficult concepts. Tutors often employ various teaching strategies and techniques to engage students and enhance their learning experience. Why? I thought that I can a little bit increase than this one. Maybe 78, 79. Okay, anyway, it is. I can say that it is average. Okay, that's enough for read aloud today. Thank you very much for watching.